Upgrading your home is about more than improving appearance. It is about comfort, savings, and long-term value. If you are looking for a smart way to reduce energy bills while enhancing your home's performance, understanding the energy efficiency benefits of installing Casement Windows Frisco Homeowners Trust can help you make the right decision. Frisco's climate brings hot summers, occasional cold snaps, and plenty of sunshine throughout the year. That combination makes energy efficiency a top priority for local homeowners. Casement windows are specifically designed to help you keep conditioned air inside while blocking outdoor heat and drafts. Superior seal for maximum efficiency. One of the biggest energy efficiency benefits of installing Casement Windows Frisco residents appreciate is the tight seal they provide. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows that rely on tracks and sashes, casement windows are hinged on one side and close by pressing firmly against the frame. When you lock a casement window, the sash pulls tightly into the weather stripping, creating an airtight seal. This reduces air leakage significantly. Less air leakage means your air conditioner does not have to work overtime during Frisco's hot summer months. In the winter, it helps keep warm air inside, reducing heating costs. That improved seal alone can make a noticeable difference in monthly utility bills. Better ventilation without energy loss. Casement windows open outward like a door, allowing you to control airflow more effectively. In Frisco's milder spring and fall weather, this design lets you catch side breezes and direct fresh air into your home. Natural ventilation reduces the need for constant air conditioning. The ability to fully open the window also allows more fresh air to circulate compared to traditional window styles. When you can rely on fresh air instead of mechanical cooling, your home becomes more energy efficient without sacrificing comfort. And when the window is closed, the secure compression seal ensures that the energy savings continue. Advanced glass options for Frisco homes. Another key energy efficiency benefit of installing Casement Windows Frisco homeowners should consider is compatibility with advanced glass technology. Modern casement windows can be fitted with double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, argon or krypton gas fills, UV blocking treatments. These features work together to reduce heat transfer. During summer, low E coatings reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to enter. In winter, they help retain interior warmth. Gas-filled panes add insulation, further improving performance. For a sunny city like Frisco, these glass enhancements are especially valuable. They reduce solar heat gain while keeping your interior bright and inviting. Lower energy bills year-round. When you combine the tight seal, efficient ventilation, and advanced glass technology, the result is consistent energy savings. Many homeowners notice a reduction in monthly cooling and heating costs after upgrading to casement windows. Because Frisco experiences long cooling seasons, reducing strain on your HVAC system can lead to substantial savings over time. Less strain also means fewer repairs and potentially a longer lifespan for your heating and cooling equipment. Energy efficiency is not just about short-term savings. It is about long-term financial benefits and protecting your investment. Increased comfort and reduced drafts. Beyond savings, installing casement windows improves everyday comfort. Drafty windows can create hot spots in summer and chilly areas in winter. The superior seal of casement windows helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures throughout your home. This means fewer temperature fluctuations and a more comfortable living environment for your family. Rooms that once felt stuffy or unevenly cooled can become more enjoyable year-round. Reduced air infiltration also helps block outdoor noise and dust, contributing to a cleaner and quieter indoor space. Boosted home value and sustainability. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers. If you ever decide to sell, showcasing the energy efficiency benefits of installing Casement Windows Frisco buyers' value can give your home a competitive edge. Today's buyers look for homes with lower operating costs and sustainable features. Energy-efficient windows demonstrate that your home has been thoughtfully upgraded. Additionally, reducing energy consumption lowers your carbon footprint. By using less electricity for cooling and heating, you contribute to a more sustainable Frisco community. A smart upgrade for Frisco homeowners. When you consider the tight seal, improved ventilation, advanced glass options, lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, and added home value, it becomes clear why casement windows are a smart investment. The energy efficiency benefits of installing casement windows Frisco homeowners enjoy go beyond simple aesthetics. They provide lasting comfort, financial savings, and peace of mind. If you are looking for a practical upgrade that pays off in both performance and value, casement windows may be exactly what your Frisco home needs.